Today I'm reviewing a Kedsum cart, which I'm using for hauling around my scrapbooks. It's a perfect fit as my books are 12 by 12 and they fit in here really well. And I was actually just taking these over to my son's house so that they could look at all of the baby photos. Now the cart itself is nice and durable, so you can put a lot of books in here. The cart is very heavy duty, so you could use it for more than just books. It does roll really easily, just like a suitcase. It's not a 360, so just a regular front back. It does lock the lid in place. There are locks on the front and the back of the cart, which makes it easy for collapsing. And I could easily see keeping this in my car for if I have more breakables or things like that that I want to store safely and transport from the car to the house easily. Even those a little bit heavier items, as the cart makes it a little bit easier for moving those things around. Then here's a real live setting it back up. You just lift the sides into place, snapping in the corners. And again, that lock unlock will help you with releasing that for easy collapsing. The cart itself, you just got to give it a little muscle to open it up, and then you can extend the handle upward. You do have the Velcro strap here on the back, as mentioned, to help lock this into place so it does not fall off the cart, which makes it awesome for transporting. Even if you're a crafter and you're doing vendor events, something like this will be super handy. You can lock that front in place. And then here's a little demo of that lock and unlock. Just make sure you snap back in those corners after you unlock it. And then here's the one on the back.